Hello smart civil engineers, I'm Engineer Masroor and you are watching your own YouTube channel Engineering Network. Today's video is very interesting and important for interviews, right? So the topic for today's video lecture is how many bricks required in 1 cubic meter. So I will teach you the whole process of how to calculate number of bricks in this video. So please watch this video completely. Now before we start, if you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it, comment your questions, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting civil engineering videos. So let's start. Okay, now generally we know that in 1 cubic meter we need 500 bricks. Okay, but the question is how to calculate the number of bricks in 1 cubic meter, right? And also the number of bricks depends on many factors like the size of bricks, shape of brick, its application, which means where we want to use bricks. Okay, but generally there are 500 bricks in 1 cubic meter. Now let me prove it to you guys that in 1 cubic meter there will be 500 number of bricks. Okay, so for that first we should know the size of brick. Now there are two sizes. One is the actual size of modular brick, which is without mortar, and second one is the nominal size of brick, right? So the modular size of brick is 190 mm by 90 mm by 90 mm, as you can also see on your screen as well. Now this size is without mortar. Now we know that the size of mortar used in bricks construction is generally 10 mm. Okay, so the nominal size of brick will become 200 mm by 100 mm by 100 mm. Okay, here I will calculate number of bricks using its nominal size, right? So first let me convert the nominal size of brick into meters. So the nominal size of brick in meter is equal to 0.2 meter by 0.1 meter by 0.1 meter. Now the volume of single brick is equal to length into width into depth. Here length of the brick is 0.2 meter. Width and depth of the brick is 0.1 meter. Okay, so the volume of single brick is equal to 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.1. and it will become 0.002 cubic meter, right? Now I have the total volume, which is 1 cubic meter, and also I have the volume of single brick as well. Now if I divide total volume by volume of single brick, then I will get the number of bricks, right? So let's do it. So the number of brick is equal to total volume, which is 1 cubic meter, divided by volume of single brick, which is 0.002 cubic meter, right? And after calculation, number of bricks will become 500. Okay, so this is the proof that in 1 cubic meter volume we need to provide 500 number of bricks, right? So this is our today's topic, and I hope you would find it very helpful. So if you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting civil engineering videos. See you in the next video.